Wow, shocking revelations coming out of the party's secretariat just after speaking to one of the party's legal brains and advisors, Adolf Mwesige, is accusing the former premier who opted to go out of his way last evening to pick nomination forms from the National Electoral Commission to contest as an independent presidential candidate is erroneous.
The Honorable Mbabazi is acting and behaving illegally and irregularly because there is no doubt that he's a registered member of NRM.
Whereas the legal brain of the party is describing Honorable John Patrick Amama Mbabazi as having acted and behaved irregularly. But what evidence do they have to this effect to portray John Patrick Amama Mbabazi to have acted and behaved irregularly?
We have evidence that he registered as a member of the National Resistance Movement at his village in Kanungu. That evidence we have. Now, for him to claim to pick forms to stand as an independent, first of all, he's in breach of the NRM Code of Conduct, to which he's a member.
Well, Adolf Mwesige also describes John Patrick Amama Mbabazi as having defamed the national law. But now we need to look into the legal technicalities as to what extent did the Honorable Amama Mbabazi defame the national law.
It also offends the national law because you cannot be a member of a political party and without resigning from the political party, you declare yourself to be an independent. So the act of Honorable Mbabazi picking nomination forms and declaring himself as an independent, in my opinion, is unconstitutional and illegal.
Whereas that may be the justification, but what is the way forward?
The way forward is really for him to revise the law again and desist from violating the law. Otherwise, if he continues with the breach of the law, definitely Ugandans will bring him to order.
Of course, another question that is playing out here is whether the party is likely to stretch the legal arm to stop Honorable John Patrick Amama Mbabazi from walking that path of wanting to contest as an independent candidate.
No, we are not going to block him. I'm just advising him that he's in breach of the law, that any Ugandan can challenge him. Whether the party or not, any Ugandan has the local standard to challenge an unconstitutional act in the courts of law. And we think that Honorable Mbabazi is behaving and acting unconstitutionally.
Timothy Sibasi, the Television here at the Ugandan Parliament in the capital, Kampala.